So if you're into Ford history, you should probably know about Northville, Michigan. So it was the turn of the century and Ford was finally pulling in a massive profit on his Model T. Now I've said this a few times with my other videos, but Ford really had a passion for helping the farmer. So with some money to burn, he put together a program known as the Village Industrial Project. The mission of the project was to bring manufacturing to rural areas. It was also designed so that farmers had an opportunity to have income through the winter months when farming wasn't possible in Michigan. Not only would this help get the farmer back to the season, it would also put a little extra money in his pocket to reinvest in their farms. And I think we all know that a happy farmer is probably going to buy a tractor or a Model T. So he found a site in Northville, Michigan, where he erected a building that was way ahead of its time. See, as I said, it's rural, which means Northville, Michigan didn't have electricity. But what they did have was running water. So with the help of an architect who was well known in Detroit named Albert Kahn, they built this beautiful Art Deco manufacturing facility with a giant water wheel that ran a hydroelectric generator. Completed in 1919, this facility would successfully produce valves for Ford Motor Company until 1936, when, because of its success, Ford went again to the site and expanded the entire manufacturing facility to 40,000 square feet. Long after the Model T was gone, the plant still continued to make valves and internal components for agricultural equipment, including Ford's very famous 8N and 9N tractors. Still seeing massive growth potential, Ford showed up a third time and expanded the facility again to about 72,000 square feet. The entire time still running a hydroelectric generator off of a massive water wheel. As you can see, here's a shot probably from the 1950s that features the water wheel. The building unfortunately came to an end and Ford did sell off the property to private owners. The building is actually still around today, and it's been converted to contemporary loft-style offices, housing engineers and other businesses, I guess? Shit, I don't know. So the next time you find yourself passing through Northville, Michigan, take a moment and ask yourself why. And then remember that it did have a historical significance to Ford Motor Company.